In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Epic Games account to your YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to connect your Epic Games account to your YouTube account, this is actually a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is obviously head over to YouTube and log into the account you want to connect it to. Once you have logged in and everything like that, you can go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile picture. Once you click on your profile picture, you will need to select settings, and once you select settings, you will be brought to this page. And from here, as you can see on the left hand side bar here, there is an option for connected apps. If you click on this, as you can see, I have already connected my Activision and Battle.net account. And if you want to connect your Epic Games account, you simply just need to click on the connect button. You will get this little pop-up here, and you can read through this, and once you are happy, you can click on connect. Once you click on connect, click on continue, and then you will get a little pop-up which takes you to the Epic Games. And you can click on sign in with Epic Games, or you can sign in with Facebook or whatever your account is made with. So I'm going to click on sign in with Epic Games. And then from here, I am going to enter in my Epic Games details. Once you have entered in your details, you can click on login now. Once you click on login, it should log in and then ask you for permission to allow this to happen. So use Google, YouTube with your Epic Games account. What you can do is now scroll down and give permission by clicking on this allow button. Once you click allow, as you can see, account's connected. So if I click on got it, as you can see now, my Epic Games account has now been connected to my YouTube. So that's how you can go ahead and connect your Epic Games account to YouTube.